Lidwoorde are our articles. And like in English, there are only two. So ons gaan nou kyk na die bepaalde en onbepaalde lidwoorde in Afrikaans. Die onbepaalde lidwoord, wat met ander woorde unspecified is 'n. En dit is met ander woorde die 'n in Engels. Dit dui die enkelvoud aan, so dit is singular, en dit val weg in die meervoud. So in the plural, it falls away. Dit is nie spesifiek nie, it is unspecific. Also, please note with this little word, if you start a sentence with it will always be a small letter, and then the next word will be a capital letter. A mens, of a kind, of however you start the sentence. If it is in the middle of a sentence, it's just going to be normal. Mense kan 'n perd koop. Right. So it's only in the beginning of a sentence that it stays a small letter, and then the next one becomes a capital letter. Ons bepaalde lidwoord is die, and that of course is the. Hy kan in die enkelvoud en in die meervoud gebruik word, en hy is spesifiek. So what is important to note about die is that we use it in Afrikaans, where many times in English it is left out. So let's look at a couple of examples. In English we say most people, but in Afrikaans we say die meeste mense. When we refer to the seasons in English, we only say in spring or summer, winter or autumn. But in Afrikaans, we have to add die, in die lente, of in die somer, of in die winter, of in die herfs. In English, we also say, on a Sunday I am in church, maar in Afrikaans sê ons ek sit in die kerk. In Engels sê ons I am afraid of death, maar in Afrikaans ek is bang vir die dood. In Engels we get in trouble of we are in trouble, maar in Afrikaans ons is in die moeilikheid. En wanneer ons na môre verwys in Engels, sê ons in future I must remember to, maar in Afrikaans sê ons in die toekoms moet ek onthou. So there are quite a few where we have to add die in Afrikaans, and this is important especially in your writing, that you have to remember this. So go and make a list for yourself and make sure that you remember to add die where necessary.